Hello inspiring parents, welcome. In today's video I'm gonna share this DIY daily learning book that I have created at home for my daughter. I have been practicing some of the contents from this book with my daughter. We just have to spend 10 to 15 minutes every day covering this material, and we can easily teach and revise lot of preschool learning material with the kids. And for making this book, I simply made different types of worksheets and I stapled them together. In this book, the first worksheet I made for covering months of the year as well as days of the week. So here I wrote all the months of the year in one column and days of the week in one column, and at the top I wrote numbers from 1 to 31. And here daily I just cover what is the day today, what was the day yesterday, and what is going to be day tomorrow, and what is the month going on and date. So this is a very simple activity, and this way we can easily teach them the days and months as well as what is the year going on, and this way we can easily do calendar routine with them. On the next worksheet, I just drew a girl for covering different body parts. Here I made a picture of a girl and labeled different body parts. While doing this worksheet, we can cover different body parts with the kids very easily, which is a part of a nursery education or a preschool education. And here they will not only come to know the different body parts, but as well as they will come to know how to read different body parts, how to visually recognize the names of the different body parts. On the next worksheet, I wrote alphabets from A to Z. Here I wrote both uppercase alphabets and the lowercase alphabet. She already knows most of the alphabets, but still I tried to do the phonics and the sounds of the alphabets with her. On the next worksheet, I wrote numbers from 1 to 80. I wrote numbers from 1 to 80 because I wanted to cover or use this book for a long time. Right now we are just covering numbers from 1 to 30, and eventually we will increase the number. While using this worksheet, I generally hide rest of the numbers and I just let her count from 1 to 30. On the next worksheet, I made all the shapes. This worksheet is useful for shape recognition. While making all the shapes, I put their names also at the bottom. So this will help her to read those shapes' name. And this is how we are using it. Right now she can recognize most of the shapes, but right now we are working on reading the names of the shape, and after that I can cover the sides of the shapes and the angles of the shapes also with her on the same worksheet. On the next worksheet, I made the popsicle shape and I wrote all the color names. Here I am using this worksheet for reading the color names. She can already recognize all the colors, so that's why I didn't color these popsicles, but you can definitely color these popsicles if your child cannot recognize the colors yet. On the next worksheet, I put all 4 seasons. After that, on the next worksheet, I wrote sight words. All these sight words are new to her. She is just learning to read. By putting these sight words in one place, it just makes easier to practice these words with kids. On the next worksheet, I put the numbers and the word forms of the numbers so that she can learn how to read the word forms of the numbers. And that's how I created this DIY learning book. This book is very easy to create and it is very effective to teach many concepts to kids. I have created few more DIY daily worksheets also, so if you are interested in knowing or doing some daily activities other than this daily book with your kids, please watch those videos, so you will get the ideas like what to do on daily activities. That's it for today. See you next time with the next video.